Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Richmond West local and long-distance movers near me. In general, a long-distance move spans at least 50 miles. Our relocation services, including long-distance moves, are second to none. We treasure your things and handle them with respect. Not only are we attentive when transporting your belongings, but we are also cautious while loading and unloading them. Our movers are well equipped to deal with the stresses of a long-distance relocation. They are on time and treat customers and circumstances as politely as the situation permits. Furthermore, our trucks can effectively transport a range of assets to different places throughout the nation. We also collaborate with the authorities in charge of the relocation process at the municipal, state, and federal levels. Our cooperation protects our clients and their possessions even more. We put your safety first, providing a complete insurance package to cover any risk responsibility during and after the relocation. Local migrations are less costly than long-distance ones. We provide them at reasonable prices of $30 to $40 per hour. Aside from our cheap services, we are also accessible to our customers at all times. Even though the bustling streets of Richmond West, professional movers can make your relocation go as smoothly as possible. You may be sure that you will receive your money's worth when you work with us for your local move. With us, you can relax and concentrate on other issues of your relocation. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Richmond West moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.